Hello beautiful people, in this video I'm going to show you how to make this trendy rosemary hair oil. For this you'll be needing an empty bottle, preferably a nozzle cover bottle. You'll also be needing dried rosemary leaves, which is the most important ingredient to make this hair oil. Once you have these two ready, then you can proceed with making the hair oil. We'll be making the oil directly inside the bottle, so we're going to first uncover the bottle, and now we're going to transfer the dried rosemary leaves into the bottle, because you're going to be making the oil inside the bottle. So transfer all the rosemary leaves into the bottle. Once we have all the leaves inside the bottle, now it's time to add in our oils. The first oil I'll be using is olive oil, which is a really good hair oil. It's a really good carrier oil for the hair. You can substitute this with any other carrier oil. I'm going to transfer the olive oil into our bottle with dried rosemary. It's advisable to use a funnel when transferring in the oil, and do this gently to avoid spilling of the oil. The next carrier oil we are adding is sweet almond oil, which is also a really good oil for the hair. We're now going to add the sweet almond oil into our bottle as well. Olive oil and sweet almond oil are the only two carrier oils we're going to be using to make this hair oil. So the next ingredient we're adding is lavender oil, which is an essential oil. This lavender oil will help to give our hair oil a sweet smell. Next, we're going to be adding in an antioxidant, which is vitamin E oil. Once all these ingredients are in, we're going to seal our bottle. We're going to cover it up and give it a good shake. And now we're going to leave this oil to infuse for a week or more. And also remember to come back each day to shake it. Now after a week, this is what the oil is looking like. It is well infused. You can go on to keep this for up to a month, 6 months. The more the better. At this point, you can choose to sieve out the dried rosemary leaves, but I like to leave mine in there as I use. So you apply this to the scalp and watch your hair develop a very good texture, length. If you found this video helpful, make sure that you like this video, drop a comment, subscribe for more amazing recipes like this.